Little update on this. Pretty much done. Finally back together. I don't know if the firewall in the sun, you can see it or not, but it looks pretty cool. Got new plug wires. Had to do new plug wires because I needed 90-degree boots. They were straight before. They were not enough room in between the steering shaft and the header. Drove around the block once. Steering works great. No more squeaking every time you move. Because before I didn't have tie rod ends, they were all just rod ends with bolts and they were all rusted up, and now it drives like it should. Just need a horn button and the steering wheel's done. I have the horn button, I just don't have the stupid thing that holds it on. So it's pretty much back on the road. I need to clamp this. It's the best place I could think of real quick to run the alternator charging wire. Because the alternator used to be down below where the steering box is, and it was all ran along the frame. So now it goes up over here, back over to the starter down there. I found a hose at the parts store and cut a piece out of it to make a real hose on there instead of the universal kind. I'd like to get a tri-power set up for this, carrying over this stuff. But for now, this is probably how it's going to stay for the rest of summer. New tires are looking good on the back. Pretty sweet. Got new tires on the back of the Mustang. Maybe do a little work to that. Maybe they'll do a little work to these rose bushes. Looks pretty cool, huh? We never tied these wires up underneath the frame here. Need a zip timer to the brake line or something. So they're kind of hanging down. Put the cowl lights on. Been saying that for a year. I think I'm going to do it this time. Because there's holes there. I think the lights look better than the holes. Had to buff this spot on the cowl that I sanded back when I tried to buff his hood and save it. So finally did that. And the hood matches good enough for my standards. Well, not really, but it's gonna stay that way. Apparently we're doing a little mirror repair here. This is all supposed to be red TMI interior, but that didn't happen. He was just joking. And we were gonna get a different steering wheel, I decided. New interior, different gauge panel thing. And but instead he bought something else. So that's the update here. This bug needs to go away. Forward, we drove to the gas station, had our first successful journey to the gas station and back. It needs a motor. Bottom end's loose and you can hear it rattling around. Truck's getting a new windshield. They make a flush mount front glass that we didn't know about. But in order to put it in, there's going to be some body work needed up here on these corners. Look nice, and so we're gonna have, well, at the very least we'd have to paint. It wouldn't be too bad. We just have to paint underneath here, paint these, and I'm not sure what happens down here. Wouldn't know really until we get the window, but shouldn't be too bad.
Nothing ever is, sir, for us.
Right, we got the front beam over there for the bug to put in.
So for selling it, for sale.
And we need to put that apron on the front corner over there.
For sale. We don't have
For sale, Turbo Bug. 8 grand or best offer. Not accepting any offers over $7,500. I don't remember what I paid still. I know it was around 8. I think it was 82. I might have overpaid. But it's older now, so it's more collectible. And really
Hard to find.
hard to find in this condition with these rare MP wood door top pieces. Those are really rare, and every Volkswagen guy just absolutely loves them. So I was told by the guy I bought the car from. I told him I was going to take them off, and he started crying. He did start crying, kind of. Not about that, but after he signed the title over, his wife made fun of him. It was pretty funny. Why is it on already?
Well, because it probably senses it needs to come on.
Really? Oh, that's the lowest setting. I could switch these and see if that makes a difference. Either way, I guess we have to hook this up. There's no way it needs to come on already. That thing outside the radiator. Okay, so tell us what's going on here. This is one of those adjustable fan switches with the probe you put in the radiator. But even at the lowest temperature, it comes on instantly. When you heat this up with a heat gun, it shuts off. So the switch is working opposite the way it's supposed to work. It's on all the time, it gets up to a certain temperature, and then it turns the fan off. Why is that? Doesn't make any sense. We can't figure out, even if this was on the ground side, it's on the power side, but if this is on the ground side, it would still just open the ground when it got warm, and then it would be closed circuit all the time, and the fan would be on. So either this switch was made wrong, or we're idiots. I tried reversing these two wires, and it didn't do anything. One is coming from power, and the other one goes to the fan. So technically the switch is working, it's just doing the wrong thing. Say it gets up to like 180, and then the fan will turn off.
I don't see anything.
Okay. I did this once before, I had to bang on the solenoid. I'm gonna have to buy a new one of those.
Oh, are you serious?
Already has a new starter. So
This is why you don't buy a Ford product. We didn't have these problems when we had Chevrolets. Just saying. Oh, that was close. That's it? Oh.
That's all you're gonna hit it?
I didn't want to break it. Oh, my goodness.
I only got one little crank out of it.
Oh, come on, baby. You want to keep these in there?
Hard start, sounded like.
Don't go too fast, I didn't latch the hood.
Don't go too fast?
Yeah, I didn't latch the hood.
Fix it.